How to make a membership website on WordPress. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to make a membership website on WordPress. So first, you just have to simply go and log into your WordPress account and then scroll down here, look for plugins and then search for membership. So as you can see, there are tons of membership that you can see here, but I want you to look for this membership. And this is what we call Ultimate Member User Profile. So this one right here. And what you're going to do is you just have to simply click this. And by the way, you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to add this plugin. So as you can see, this is the number one plugin for front-end user profiles, user registration and login forms, member directories, content restriction, and more. And as you can see, there are over 1,300 plus people who have added this to their plugin, and it is rated as 4.5. And what you're going to do here in order for you to add this is, of course, upgrade your plan, look for this, and then click install now. So once installed, then what you're going to do is you have to click activate. So it will be added to your dashboard. So click activate and go back to your WordPress dashboard. So basically you should see this ultimate member here on the dashboard, and you just have to simply click that one and then tap dashboard. And then if you tap this dashboard right here, or if you see that in the plugin, then you should see this dashboard, settings, forms, user roles, member directories, extensions. So you have to click forms because we are going to create or make a membership on your WordPress website. So once done, this is what it looks like. This is the form. And all forms that you have created, you will see it right here. If you have tons of form, that you can search at that. But this is what it looks like. So in order for you to make a membership form, what you're going to do is you have to click this add new, this button add new beside forms. Tap this one. So here you can start adding the name of your form. As you can see, there is this example, new registration form. So you can add here, for example, like membership form or a new membership form, something like that. So feel free to add whatever you want to add here. So you can add a name, and then below you will see here example or what form would you like to build or create. So you have option like registration form, profile form, login form. So for example, if you tap this registration form right here, then you can add a different element for that, for profile form also and login form. For this tutorial, we're going to create or we're going to tap registration form. But before that, you can also change the layout that you want. So as you can see below form builder, there is a slide view, and then you can select whatever layout you want to add here. So to start, what you're going to do is you just have to simply click the plus icon below. Here, you can just simply add a field. Let's just say if you wanted to add first name and last name. Let's just say you want to know first, or you want your new member add their first name and last name, because this information is of course essential. So you have to click first name and last name, and these two fields will be added here in the form builder. Okay, so as you can see, here it is. And if you want to add more field or element, what you're going to do is you have to click this plus icon. So, it depends on what membership you want to create. What are the fields you want to add? So all you have to do is to click this plus icon, and these fields will show up. So you will see here, set up new field. You can add text box, telephone box, number, checkbox, URL, password, image upload, file upload, especially if you want to ask or if you want them to upload their profile, their resume, and so on. You could also add content block, spacing, divider, Google Map, YouTube video. And also for predefined fields, username, email, password, first name, last name, indeed very essential, nickname, website URL, last login, especially if it's about work, something like that. You can also add Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Skype ID, everything is up to you. And also custom fields, but you did not create any custom fields. So everything is up to you. You can just simply add whatever field you want to add here. depends on the membership that you want to build or create, and these fields will be added to your form builder. So here's an example of membership form. You can add more if you want. So basically, if you have added first name, this is as text box, as you can see, last name, text box, for country, drop down, and email address text box. So if you want to add country here, what you're going to do or what you're going to select here in the fields manager is drop down. So you have to click that one. Then probably they will see this. Okay, so title, label, placeholder, privacy. Okay, and then edit choices. They can add their country here. And then after that, then click continue. So basically that's how you add country. You just have to click drop down. Now, once you're done adding some fields right here, then you can go to the right side. As you can see, there's this create, short code. You can customize this form. You can click yes or no. And then privacy policy, you can set this to no, yes, something like that. So you just have to simply go here and then change settings if you want. And then you can go back to your form builder. Now, if you want to see the live preview, of course, before you create this one, before you publish or share this membership form, you have to click a live preview. So you should see the result. Okay, this is what it looks like. Form, like first name, last name, country, email address. You can add more. You can click this continue editing to add more field. Okay. Now, once you're okay with that, then you can now publish or you can continue with this membership. If you want to edit, if you want to add, or let's just say you think something is missing or incorrect in this field or in this form, you can still go back and tap this pencil icon right here to edit whatever you want or what you think is missing or incorrect. So basically, that's how simple it is. If you want to add more fields, then you can just simply click the plus button and then add more fields right here. Basically, you can add languages if you want. So once you're done again, then you can go back and then if there is incorrect or missing, you can click this pencil icon to edit and then that's it. But again, let me remind you that in order for you to add this to your plugin, you must have upgraded your plan because you cannot add this plugin if you're just using the basic version. So go back to your WordPress again if you haven't added this, and then upgrade your plan, and then add this to your plugin. Okay, then install. And basically, that's it. So that's it. This is a basic and easy tutorial on how to simply create or make a membership website on WordPress. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.